se trata, garota, sai da minha bola.
Quero voltar, pois longe de ti não é o meu lugar. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
I'm back where I belong. Yeah, I never felt so strong. Yeah, I'm back, I'm feeling like there's nothing I can't try. And if you with me, put your hands high. Put your hands high. You haven't lost a life before. This one's for you. Put your hands high. The dreams are filled. You're rocking with the best. I'll be on the song. I hear the tears of a clown. I hate that song. I always feel like they talking to me when it comes on. Another day, another dawn. Another Keisha, nice to meet you, get the math, I'm gone. What am I supposed to do when the club lights come on? It's easy to be Puff, but it's harder to be Sean. What if my twins ask me why I ain't married their mom? Damn, how do I respond? What if my son stares with a face like my own and says he wants to be like me when he's grown? Shit, but I ain't finished grown. Another night, the inevitable prolong. Another day, another dawn. Come on. Just tell Keisha and Teresa I'll be better in the morning. Another lie that I carry on. I need to get back to the place I belong. Come on.
I'm coming home.
I'm coming home.
Tell the world I'm coming home.
Yeah.
Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday.
Ain't no
I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes.
Thank you.
I'm coming home.
I'm coming home. I'm coming
Tell
home.
the world that I'm coming.
Hey yo, check this out. A house is not a home, I hate this song. Is a house really a home when your loved ones is gone? And niggas got the nerve to blame you for it. And you know you would've took the bullet if you saw it. But you felt it and still feel it. And money can't make up for it or conceal it. But you deal with it and you keep ballin'. Try some liquor playboy and we keep ballin'. Baby, we've been living in sin, cause we've been really in love, but we've been living as friends. So you've been a guest in your own home. It's time to make your house your own. Pick up the phone, pick up the phone.
I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes.
Thank you.
Coming home.
Coming home. Coming home.
Tell the world that I'm
almost home, check this out.
home.
Ain't no stopping us now. I love that song. Whenever it comes on, it makes me feel strong. I thought I told you that we won't stop till we back cruising through Harlem. These old blocks is what made me, saved me, drove me crazy, drove me away, then embraced me, forgave me for all of my shortcomings. Welcome to my homecoming. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. A lot of fights, a lot of scars, a lot of bottles, a lot of cars, a lot of ups, a lot of downs. Made it back, lost my dog. I miss you, big. But here I stand, a better man. Stop. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, all.
I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home.
I'm coming home.
Let the rain wash away
Feel so
all
good.
the pain of yesterday.
Feel so free.
I know my
Ain't no place like home, baby.
And they've forgiven
Ain't no place
my
like home.
mistakes. I'm coming home.
I'm coming home. I'm coming
Tell
home.
the world that
Tell
I'm
the world.
coming
sabendo que eu me frustraria. Como pode me amar assim? Como pode me amar, Deus, sabendo que eu te culparia pelo que não foi como eu queria. Como pode me amar assim? Como pode me amar, Deus, sabendo que eu me fecharia quando você quisesse entrar? Como pode me confiar e ainda me pega quando estou caindo e me abraça, quando estou chorando e segura as minhas mãos e me leva pra perto das chamas de amor que ardem em teu coração e não se podem conter. Como uma flecha que estoura em meu peito e me traz de joelhos enquanto eu choro. Vem no meu coração, minha alma soluça quando eu percebo contatos de seus olhos com os meus.
Me leva pra casa, eu quero voltar, pois longe de ti não é o meu lugar. Eu corro depressa pra te encontrar, de braços abertos, como alguém que esqueceu. Me leva pra casa, eu quero voltar, pois longe de ti não é o meu lugar. Eu corro depressa pra te encontrar, de braços abertos em meu lugar.
Da garota, sai da minha porta, rasgou minhas roupas, queimou